Hi guys, welcome to another NFT show. Markets have been down in cryptocurrencies and other stock markets, commodities have been down as well. There's a lot of art going on what's going to be happening with NFTs, but I think NFTs might just survive this bear market. Things might get better, and this would be another very good time to ape into them, make a big bag of the NFTs. So when we do see that big upside coming, you have something to make profit on. A lot of people are going to wash their hands off, walk out of the markets, but that certainly is not going to help their cause, because if they come back, they're going to be getting everything very expensive later in the year, or maybe next year when we do see that big upside coming in the markets. Today we're going to discuss Apesutopia again, because why? Special giveaway, $250, 1%. 25 people, free Apesutopia NFT, total value of $4,500. One follow, Apesutopia, two retweet, like, tag two friends, join their Discord. Is gonna be having a result in the next 6 days, which is gonna be May 20th. So I do hope you guys really want to get into this. This is like about last chance going about 6 days to go. So to get into this project, looks very exciting. The work has been absolutely amazing that I have seen, and I bought a lot of their NFTs as well, so I'm 110% sure even this project is going to be doing very well. It's going to be a metaverse. You're also going to get reward tokens, and you're also going to get reward NFTs when the next batch comes out, which is going to be the baby apes. Obviously, baby apes always going to be needing the mother and father. Without them, they're going to be very lonely in this world. So to get into this one, this project certainly looks very good. So this week we have a lot of projects doing pretty much upside, downside, a lot of fun, a lot of stuff going on. Other Deed, Azuki, PX and Ghost Division, Bored Yacht Club have fell down. Overall, we have certainly seen that CryptoPunks are still very important in this market. Still the ones that are holding their value despite a lot of other coin projects going down very hard, but they keep staying there right on the top because they were the project that everybody always loved. It's certainly something to be very bullish about, though the art is not as beautiful, as aesthetic as other projects might just have, but that was the first ball run in this ballpark. So certainly people are always going to be excited for that one. Today we have one project from Solana, looks very good, Mous In Da House. It's the 44th Street man. A lot of Mous chilling on their personal subway station, surrounded by drugs, lottery, black markets, and hella parties. If you are in the city, feel free to enter the 44th. So 44th is looking very good right now. There's going to be a lot of Mous there. So they have about 4.4k items, 1.6k owners. Floor price is about 12 Solana. Very reasonable. Volume traded is very reasonable as well. Looks very good. The art looks certainly very cute. The project really looks very exciting. Have a lot more action going on in the website as well. So let's able to the website. I love the website. UI it certainly looks very good. The graphic designing here is absolutely amazing, very attractive, and there is so much action going on this underground 44th Street. We are a big society living in the underground of Solana. Meanwhile, we have overtaken a subway station in 44th Street. It's our place to vibe, chill, rave, smoke, and relax. A lot of Solana homies are visiting us daily. It is very hidden and invitation only. Not allowed to enter arcade, ballrooms, merchandise, and many more on our very own. So, Mous In Da House, that's the way to go. What have we planned? The most important thing, if you're investing into NFTs, the treasure of the 44th Street, this will be our community wallet, which is tied to our DAO multi-sig wallet, where members can vote on how funds should and will be spent. We will buy blue chips coins and more over time to higher the value of our DAO. 55% of the mint funds will be stored in the community wallet. We will not lose money, but always bring more liquidity into the treasure of 44th Street. 25,000 physical mystery boxes. Yes, you read that right. There will be 2,500 mystery boxes available for purchase. Ingredients could be hoodie, t-shirt, joggers, ashtray, rolling tray, papers, rugs, anything. You know, they're still going through that phase. Tokenomics, of course, a must-have. 44th Street will lead you to the way into the subway with a wide utility. Mous can spend all their earnings at one place. The underground dealer market for 44th, a day of staking one Mous on our custom platform. Underground dealer market, what can I find there and what currencies are allowed? Hard to find in New York City, but literally a treasure fund there. 44th Street only, lottery, auctions, casinos, trading your coins, and selectable NFTs and more. Potions at UDM, real life events. So a lot of things gonna be happening on this space. Looks very good. The project certainly gives me that vibe that this is gonna do very, very well. Definitely looks very, very exciting. Certainly very, very good. Let's look at their activity. The project's activity is also very, very good, going about $455, 12 minutes. 2 hours ago, about $522, $519, $524. So the base price is around 500 to 400 plus dollars. Looks very, very okay, very, very reasonable, especially when it's on Solana chain. Still looks a lot safer, less gas fees. Now the next project is from ETH. The Art of Seasons looks very, very good. Very simple but aesthetically very, very beautiful project. The Art of Seasons is a complete collection of dynamic illustrations featuring spring, summer, autumn, and winter by artists Dirty Robot plus Regna Factory. You own art that acts as a gateway passport, giving you advanced access to exclusive art. So the art is very, very beautiful, very, very bright colors, very unique. So I really like that concept because it's been a very long time from apes, CryptoPunks, and all that pixel art, this that that we're finally beginning to see some very, very good art. So we get into their activity. The activity also looks very, very good. They have about 24 minutes, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. The price is going from $2,000 to $2,300, about $1,900. So it looks certainly look very, very good. Has a very, very good potential. Even the website looks very, very good. You can see the art more clearly on the website. Looks very, very interesting. Certainly I am looking forward to this project because it's not that expensive compared to the projects we do actually see on it. It's still very, very viable, looks very, very good. The art is very, very good. So something you have to watch out for, and obviously it's easy to relate to it too. It's about the seasons and the summer, this autumn, spring, winter. So certainly everybody can connect with this. The floor is very good, art is very good. For me, the art of this project really stands out. Like, even if you look into this picture, looks absolutely amazing, very unique, very detailed. Got a car, there's a mass floating, there's two girls chilling there in the park. The way they have drawn the clouds, everything about this project actually looks very, very good. Let's get into the Gate.io NFTs, and we can see Birdman right there. So there's one that we're going to be discussing is Birdman. Pixar Eternity have been doing very, very well. Bobo Dragons is up there on number 2. ZAA Spaceplan 2069 is there as well. Star Atlas, and then Birdman. So let's get into the Birdman NFTs. Birdman, very, very good. Just the new project just came out on May 11, 2022. So exciting stuff going on here also. A lot of here stuff is in Chinese language, but there's nothing to worry about. I already know what's written there. 900 items, 17 owners, because just started. Floor price is about $20. Volume traded is already getting there. So things do look very, very good. If you get into their activity also, it's been sold about 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and 17 hours. So slowly they are getting noticed and things are actually moving. Obviously there's a lot of FUD around NFTs on exchanges. Should we get into it or not? I kind of feel like it's a lot safer right now, considering how a lot of NFTs and MetaMask wallet is so wonderful. It certainly looks very, very good. So what exactly this project is about, why we want to discuss this, because they have a very important reward coming in. There are 900 Birdman art blind boxes on sale this time, and the blind boxes contain 52 pieces of Birdman's artwork, including 9 special blind boxes. After the sale, snapshots will be taken within 3 days, and 300 USDT will be airdropped for each special blind box holders. This blind box is our creation blind box, so this is something to look out. You're gonna get $300 in airdrop. If you collect 10 different pieces out of 50, including special blind boxes, you will get 5 free airdrops in the next issue. So they're going to be having a next collection very, very soon. You will get 2 free airdrops in the next issue. Collect 3 different pieces of the 50. So that's another addition to that. You will get 1 airdrop in the next issue. So they have different things you can try here. We're all mysterious Birdman with invisible wings. Those who are not defeated by trials and tribulations will eventually rise to the height of life and overlook all beings. When we feel the injustice of life, we should think calmly, and there will always be a pair of invisible wings that will take us over despair. So things do look very, very good about this project. I like the idea, the way they're going to be rewarding people. You're either going to get more NFTs or you're going to get some kind of a reward, which is going to be about $300, which is a very good amount, very decent amount. Looks very, very good. I certainly do like this project. I'm going to be aping into this. I did ape into some projects on Gate of late, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys next week. I'm going to gather a lot of stuff and then share with you guys. That's going to be more exciting. Then we have Pop Deer. Pop Deer is a very, very good project. The friends of Sunshine Zoo are having a party. Look who came first. Daniel. Oh dear. Daniel is a sunny boy who likes sports, loves life. He always has a rich expression on his face. Basketball, photography, he loves everything. Is he a passionate about life as you are? So everybody's quite passionate right now. We're kind of in a bear market. People are making all kind of things, and then we've obviously seen the massive Terra thing going on. So a lot of hype there. Anyhow, really like the art. Really stands out from all the projects we have seen. A lot of detail, a lot of stuff going on in the art. Looks very good. Even the activity is very good. Distribution is getting there. Just started recent project, about 1,000 items, 22 owners, about $19.90. Volume traded is okay. So I hope you guys are ready and you are gonna able to Apesutopia Twitter special giveaway, and probably see you guys in the Discord as well. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel. I'm going to be back in here again tomorrow, and we're going to be doing a gate tutorial. See you guys.